Hey there folks, I hope you're having a great day. Listen, I just wanted to make a quick video to update you on things on Lionshare, exactly what's going on and what you should be expecting going forward. Number one, as many of you know, we launched this system as what I would call a light launch. We wanted to get the system out there as quickly as we possibly could. So, you know, right now at our back office, if you were to look there, the structure in which you see is a light structure, right? You can only see your current matrix. So there's going to be a tremendous amount of updates over the next week. So next week, you'll start to be able to see your entire structure. You'll be able to see those statistics. You know, all those things that you want to run your business are going to be coming next week. So I just want you to make sure that you know about it. Make sure to hold tight. If you have new people that are reaching out to you saying, hey, I can't view this or I can't see this, that'd be a great opportunity to say, look, we already knew that. They told us in the beginning that it would be coming. So it's going to be coming next week. Now, in addition to that, we have multiple languages that will be coming on top of English. So we'll have Spanish, we'll have Portuguese, we'll have French, we'll have many different languages that we're going to be rolling out as well. So very, very excited about that. Now, in addition to all of that, okay, the back office being updated, we are going to be rolling out a brand new recognition program. We're going to be the first smart contract out there to actually recognize the people for their success. So just know that that's coming as well. There's going to be some really cool stuff that we'll be announcing with that. So we're fired up. We want to say thank you for helping us get to, you know, over 60,000 members in our very first week. I mean, what an awesome thing. I don't know any other company who's been able to do that or any other smart contract to say that as well. So we are fired up about what is happening inside of Lionshare. We want to say thank you to each and every one of you. This contract is for the people. As we say all the time, it's not mine, it's nobody's, it is absolutely yours. So you are the one who's out there making it happen. Thank you for your leadership. Be on the lookout for your new back office. Be on the lookout for some new recognition that's coming as well. And let's start filling these calls up to invite as many new people as we can to learn about this. We will bless 1 million people in 2020, and you're going to be one of the very first. Have a great day. Thank you.